morning children. Today we are going to see the next subtopic that is how do metals react with. We are studying about how metals react with things. No? The next one is how metals react with the solutions of other metal salts. Okay? With the solutions of other metal salts, with not other metal salts directly or with not with other metals, with the solution how it will react. Okay? So, with the solutions of other metal salts, what are the things we have studied? First we have studied what happens when metal combines with oxygen, what happens when metal combines with water, then the third one is acid, the fourth one is how metals react with solutions of other metal salts. Okay? To study this, we will do an activity to find out what happens. Okay? I am taking two test tubes. We have already studied the series, activity series clearly. Okay, now with the help of an activity, we will find out what happens. We will take two test tubes, test tube A and test tube B. Okay, one test tube is A and the other test tube is B. In A test tube, I am taking ferrous sulfate. Okay, solution is ferrous sulfate. So the salt is, the solution is what? Ferrous sulfate. I have taken ferrous sulfate here and I have taken copper sulfate here. Okay, two test tubes. In the first test tube I have taken ferrous sulfate and the second test tube I have taken copper sulfate. Now, I am taking one iron rod. Okay, or iron nail. One iron nail I am taking. This is iron nail. I am also taking one copper wire. This is copper wire. So these are the things I needed to do the activity. Okay. So one test tube ferrous sulfate and the other test tube copper sulfate. I have also taken one iron nail as well as one copper wire. Now in the first test tube A, ferrous sulfate is there. I will put copper wire inside. Okay, copper wire and ferrous sulfate should be till this level and here also copper sulfate should be till this level. Ferrous sulfate will be in which color? Any idea? Find out. Okay, what is the color of ferrous sulfate? Copper sulfate you have seen, it's blue color. But ferrous sulfate I have already told you, I think. Find out, okay, what is the color. Now you will put the copper inside, copper wire inside and here I am putting this iron nail inside. Okay. We will wait for some, say 20 minutes. Okay. We will wait for 20 minutes. Now before getting the result itself, you will come to know because we have studied the activity series clearly. Now, we will see what is the definition. A metal which is placed higher in the activity series, can displace the metal which occupies a lower position. It means it's very clear that we have already studied, repeating it again and again, that the metal which is placed high will displace the metal which is present below that. Okay. So a metal placed high in the activity series can displace the metal which occupies a lower position. But in this, we are going to study metal A. See here, I have put one metal plus one solution. Here, one metal plus one solution. So the formula here is metal A plus salt solution of B. You will get metal B and salt solution of A. Okay, we will see what is happening. Metal A plus salt solution of B. It means here you are taking iron. Okay, in metal A you are taking iron, salt solution copper sulfate. So this one, second one. Iron plus copper sulfate gives, which one you should get? Metal B. Which metal? The metal is copper. So this Fe will go and displace this one and it will add the sulfate with this. So ferrous sulfate will come here and copper is the metal which you are getting in the product. So metal A plus salt solution of B gives this metal B plus salt solution of A. Got it? No? After 20 minutes we are going to see what is happening. So ferrous sulfate is taken here, copper sulfate. We will see only this one first. Copper sulfate. I have put one iron rod. After 20 minutes, if I see this ferrous will be present top or copper will be seen up. Which one in the activity series? Good. Iron will come first and then copper. Okay. We have already studied the mnemonics also, no? Chandan iron worker. But copper will come in the next one. A come, meet. Okay. So you will get ferrous sulfate plus copper. So you got it. Okay. This is how the reaction takes place. You see what happens in this. Copper you have put inside ferrous sulfate. Copper will come above or below ferrous iron. This is iron. Okay. This metal salt solution. Metal salt solution. This is in solution form. Ferrous sulfate. This is the metal place. So copper plus FeSO4 gives. What will you get? Will there be any reaction? Good. No reaction. Why? The reason is we know that a metal place high in the activity series can displace the metal which occupies a lower position. Opposite can't happen. Okay, so that is the reason. We'll see one more example. Zinc. Okay, zinc plus ferrous sulfate. In the test tube I am taking ferrous sulfate, and which is the metal which I am using? Zinc. What happens? Zinc is placed up or down? Above. No, it is placed above iron. So what will happen? Zinc will come here and it will displace and it will take like this. So what will be the product? ZnSO4 plus Fe. When you are writing like this, Zn is in solid form, copper is in solid form, here also. Fe is in solid form, copper sulfate is in aqueous form. Here also, copper is in solid form, ferrous sulfate is in aqueous form. Okay, so zinc sulfate plus iron you will be getting. Copper plus, what is this AgNO3? Silver nitrate. Okay, AgNO3 is silver nitrate. Copper, when it combines with silver, what happens? Copper will be above silver or below silver? Good, it is above silver. So you will get the reaction. What is the reaction? Copper nitrate plus which metal you will be getting? Very good. You will be getting Ag. Okay. Now one more activity we will see. See, I have taken 4 test tubes. Okay. 4 test tubes and I have named it as A, B, C and D. What I am doing is, I am taking one solution in common in all the 4 test tubes. Okay. Which solution will take? Will take aluminium sulfate. Okay, Al2SO4 thrice is the formula for aluminium sulfate. Al2SO4 thrice aluminium sulfate. So I am taking aluminium sulfate in all the 4 test tubes. Okay. The metal which I am going to put is, here I am putting zinc. Here I am putting iron. Here I am putting copper. Here aluminium. Okay. The metal which I am putting is different. Here zinc, here iron, copper and aluminium. Now use the trick and tell me in which test tube reaction takes place. This is zinc plus aluminium. Zinc will be placed above or below? Below, right? So here no reaction takes place. Iron is placed below or above aluminium? Below. So no reaction takes place. Copper plus aluminium sulfate. Copper will be placed below or above? So no reaction takes place. Aluminium with aluminium sulfate. That also will be a doubt now. Aluminium, if you put aluminium metal, will there be any reaction? No, there will not be any reaction. Okay. This is how questions will be there in your annual exam. They will ask, they will try to find out whether you have understood the concept or not. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, now 5 things what we keep in mind is, first we will see that activity, what is that activity? When you put copper in ferrous sulfate, what happens? Iron in copper sulfate, what happens? That activity you will study. This is first. Second one, you will study the definition. A metal which is placed high in the activity series will displace the metal which is placed lower to that. Okay, that's second one. Third one, you will study the formula. Which formula? Metal A plus all solution of B gives metal B plus all solution of A. Then we have seen two examples also. We will find out whether reaction takes place or not. We have also seen two more examples. Okay, to make it clear. Then I have also taught you an activity to tell that whether reaction takes place or not if we put this kind of metal in this type of solution. Okay.